The differences between British English and American English show up in spelling, vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. Here is a clear breakdown. First, about spelling. In British English, color COLOUR, in American COLOR. Center CENTRE in British English, in American English CENTER. British English, organize ORGANISE, in American English ORGANIZE. In British English TRAVELLED, traveled, in American English TRAVELED. Patrons OUROR, REER, ISEIZE. So both are accepted in British English. Double consonant in British English but not always in American English, as travelling versus travelling. Vocabulary, some everyday words different. British English lift, American English elevator. British English flat, American English apartment. British English holiday, American English vacation. British English biscuits, American English cookies. British English trousers, American English pants. There is a difference in grammar. Past tense of verbs. British English often allows learnt, dreamed, spoiled. American English prefers learned, dreamed, spoiled. Have got versus have. British English, I have got a car. American English, I have a car. Use of prepositions. British English, at the weekend, in a team. American English, on the weekend, on a team. Collective nouns. British English can be singular or plural. The team are winning. In American English, usually singular. The team is winning. In pronunciation, there is a difference. British English often non-rhotic, final R not pronounced. Car, car. American English rhotic, R pronounced. Car is car. Vowel sounds also different. Bath, in British English long A. In American English short A. There is a difference in uses and style as well. British English tends to sound more formal in writing. American English is more direct. There is a difference in punctuation. American English usually puts the period, full stop inside quotation marks, like hello. British English may put it outside if it's not part of the quote. Both are correct and widely understood, but consistency is important, especially in exams, formal writing, or professional setting. Thanks for watching.